Hi folks, it's that time again. Time for another Honeydews Done Right tool review. Today we're going to talk about the Honeydews Done Right 12-piece home improvement tool set. If you could only have one household toolkit, this would probably be the one you would choose. With it comes a 10-foot measuring tape, a household electrical probe, a high-quality LED flashlight, a claw hammer, channel locks, combination pliers with a wire cutter, standard screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, Teflon tape, an adjustable wrench, and a box cutter. In a separate video, I'll show you how to use this household electrical probe. It seems to strike terror into the hearts of most people who see it for the first time, but I'm sure you will agree that you won't shock yourself with this once I show you how to use it. Thank you for watching my review of the Honeydews Done Right Household Toolkit, probably the most important purchase you'll ever make. Hi, I'm Mark Weir, and it's time for another Honeydews Done Right train to go by. Hi, train.